Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for a quick market update. My name is Lou Vrcelj, Personal Wealth Advisor. The S&P 500 continues to reach new heights as Q4 rally continues into March. While the hype around AI and crypto is receiving a lot of attention, stocks are also benefiting from increased market liquidity. It's difficult to know how much longer this rally can continue, but our view is that it will take a combination of a more hawkish Fed, resurgent inflation, and a decreased market liquidity to weaken investor sentiment. Even though recent inflation reports came in hotter than expected, the Fed has hinted rate cuts at some point in 2024. Their next meeting is March 19th. Currently, there is no identifiable catalyst around the wave of rising liquidity, which means that rally could continue into coming months. Here at Camarda, pretty much all of our indicators remain green. Our equity strategies are fully invested, and we will continue to ride this positive market wave as long as we can, keeping a handbrake close by in case we experience some volatility. As always, we encourage you to talk to your PWA about your personal portfolio strategies and make sure that you are positioned for optimal success. Now to Blake.
Thanks, Lou. Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick word on what issues you may want to consider with your Social Security benefits. If you're struggling on your decision on how to file, if you're not sure on the benefits and how they may tie into your financial planning goals, here we've attached a do-it-yourself checklist that may help with that decision making. It covers concerns like determining whether you should file early or delay your benefit, understanding the claiming options, coordinating benefits with your spouse or ex-spouse, and understanding how your benefits may impact tax planning goals. For example, are you planning to work after you claim your Social Security benefits? If so, one thing to consider is the fact that benefits claimed prior to the month of your full retirement age may be subject to the earnings test and reduce your overall benefit. Feel free to use this do-it-yourself resource privately inside of your family to help you with your decision-making process. And let us know if you have any other questions or any concerns on future videos that you'd like us to address. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll see you next time.